A worldwide TV personality who's not afraid to speak his mind,
Well, right now, I'm fed up with your bullshit excuses.
Gordon Ramsay is undoubtedly one of the most talented chefs in the world. So if you're looking for someone to teach you some cooking hacks, he is the right person. Stick around if you want to avoid looking like an idiot sandwich in the kitchen. Hey everyone, and welcome to the Lazy Llama Corner. Here are 6 easy and cheap hacks for cooking. If you didn't know that you can stop the lingering burns you get after chopping some chili, watch until the end of this video. You won't believe how simple it is. 6. Salt your eggs moments before serving it. Timing is everything when it comes to having the perfect scrambled eggs for breakfast. According to Chef Ramsay, salting your eggs seconds before they're finished is ideal. Apparently, immediately adding salt will drain moisture from your eggs. Number 5. Use the touch test to determine if your steak is ready. It's possible to cook heavenly steak using the touch of your hand. Try feeling your hand and comparing it to the steak you're cooking. The fleshy part of your palm is rare, your lower wrist is medium, and the top of your wrist is well done. Number 4. When making mashed potatoes, boil them with their skin. Chef Ramsay mentioned that the secret behind making a great mash for me personally is keeping the skins on. He furthermore explains by saying the skins protect the potatoes, therefore it doesn't absorb all that water. Number 3. Slightly wet your chopping board before using a cling wrap to prevent it from sticking. Remember that you don't need a lot of water for this hack. A gentle wipe using a wet cloth will do the job. Number 2. Place your cheese in the freezer before grating it. The duration of keeping it in the freezer greatly depends on the type of cheese. I suggest keeping it in until it gets firm enough. This hack will prevent you from smashing the cheese against the grater. So go ahead and make some bomb spaghetti with some bomb cheese. Number 1. Stop the lingering burns from cutting chilies with lemon juice. Lemon juice is a must-have in the kitchen. Not only does it promote hydration, supply you with vitamin C, and make your food taste better, but it's also powerful enough to stop physical pain. That's amazing. Does your grandma know about these hacks? Give her a call because I'm sure she'll be impressed. You can also share this video with your other family members so you can all grate some good cheese together. And don't forget to smash or gently tap the like button if you found this video useful or entertaining. If you tried doing the touch test, comment below. That's all, and thanks for watching.